DentaFend, a revolutionary innovation in oral care, can be compared to a rejuvenating elixir for your teeth and gums. Imagine it as the perfect blend of 8 natural ingredients, each a hero that plays a vital role in restoring oral health. This unique formula, encapsulated in a single easy-to-swallow capsule, promises to not only eliminate harmful germs, but also strengthen your teeth, regenerate your gums, and protect against future threats. Let's explore this transformational journey to vibrant oral health in more detail. To fully understand the effectiveness of DentaFend, imagine your teeth as the sturdy fortresses in a kingdom. Sometimes these strongholds can be under constant siege, facing the threat of germs and inflammation. This is where DentaFend's unique formula comes in, acting as a skilled army that not only defends these fortresses but also strengthens them to withstand future attacks. The first hero in this story is the elimination of harmful germs. Just as an army drives out unwanted invaders, DentaFend works diligently to eradicate these germs from the mouth. This not only alleviates immediate discomfort, but also sets the stage for the true transformation to come. Now, imagine the gums as the silent guardians of these fortresses. They play a crucial role in protecting against threats, but sometimes they may need help to regenerate. DentaFend acts as a master architect, promoting gum regeneration, ensuring these guardians remain strong and resilient. The analogy continues with the idea of strengthening teeth. Just as a skilled blacksmith forges powerful swords, DentaFend provides essential nutrients to strengthen teeth. This not only makes them more resilient, but also adds an extra layer of protection against the rigors of time and everyday threats. The fight against bad breath is a constant battle that many face. Imagine DentaFend as a talented perfumer creating a fresh, invigorating fragrance for your breath. By eliminating bad breath-causing germs, the supplement not only solves the problem immediately, but also works to maintain fresh breath continuously. This innovative formula does not discriminate against age or gender, making it truly inclusive in its approach to solving oral problems. Imagine this as a magic potion that can be enjoyed by everyone, regardless of where they are on their oral health journey. Now diving deeper into the user journey, consider the scenario after a few months of consistent use. It's as if you are witnessing the construction of a new chapter in your oral history. Teeth, once vulnerable, are now like invincible guardians, bravely protecting your oral kingdom. The gums, once tired, have become impenetrable walls, keeping oral health in a constant state of grace. And, as with any good story, there is a solid commitment from the creator of DentaFend. Think of it as a customer satisfaction promise, where every bottle purchased comes with a 60-day full money-back guarantee. This means you have 2 full months to test DentaFend's transformative powers. If for any reason you are not satisfied with the results, you can request a full refund. The refund policy is as simple as the user journey with DentaFend. Think of it as a red carpet rolled out to ensure your experience is hassle-free. If, within these 2 months, you experience discomfort or dissatisfaction, simply contact the support team. They will accept even half-used bottles and return the invested capital, providing a risk-free shopping experience. In short, DentaFend is more than a dietary supplement, is a narrative of transformation for your oral health. Imagine it as an epic journey where the heroes are carefully chosen natural ingredients and the promise is a rejuvenated and protected mouth. So, embark on this journey, take the pill as if it were an elixir and allow DentaFend to rewrite the history of your oral health. Product link in comments.